Hi, and welcome to another video on the channel. In this video, I'm on the Row Perfect, and I want to very quickly show you a prototype that I have put together that provides real-time force curve data over video, like you're seeing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get going here. So here we go. I'm going to row a few strokes. So as you can see here in this bottom left-hand corner is getting data from the Row Perfect, specifically the force curve data, but there is other data here as well. And actually you can click on any one of these things and change the data that you're looking at. So if you want to see drive length with split or something like that, you can click on any one of these and it's going to customize the display for you. But the real feature here that I think is really cool is that we're able to take data from the Row Perfect and project it over the footage. So you could be using this app and filming the screen and capturing this data that is overlaid. And the power of that is it gives a coach or an athlete that real-time force curve overlay. So at the point, if you were to slow that video down and be able to pick apart exactly when the stroke starts to break down, technically, you could tell an athlete, here's where we need to improve with our force application. Now, I should mention at this point that this connection to my iOS app, which is my own personal app that I use to coach my clients. Unfortunately, it's not open publicly, but I'm looking to build a larger clientele using the Row Perfect. This was made possible by a software library created by a company called MoveLab. Now they're based in the Netherlands, they're wonderful people, and we came to a financial agreement to allow me to use this app, and I'm creating this video to show you what is possible with this library. The cool thing about this library is that once you get over that initial learning curve, you're gonna have that as a developer. It becomes very simple to roll out features with apps that connect to rowing machines. And the Row Perfect and the Concept 2 are just two of the rowing machines that this connects to. I believe it connects to the water rower and other rowers. I'm sure you can find a full list on their website. But I wanted to kind of show you that I rolled this feature out and figured it out in about a week. So it was very quick to use the library. Obviously, you need a developer who knows the way around. But if you're looking to build a fitness ecosystem and you want a quick way to get a hold of that rowing machine data, regardless of what machine it is, and not have to get into the weeds, which ultimately you have to do sometimes to get that data, you are able to get that data very quickly. And this is the result. I plan to build out a whole system so that when I'm coaching clients on a Row Perfect, I can do real-time work with them over Zoom or something like that, and really build out the features and the tracking. And I've been able to do that because of this library that MoveLab have created. So I'm going to give you a few more strokes here to show you this, and I hope that you reach out to them and take a look at this library. They have not asked me to make this video. I just simply decided to make this video. I did promise I would give them a testimonial, but they haven't asked for this video. But I think sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. So here we go. Another few strokes, and here we go. There you go, bottom left-hand corner. We've recorded this. We could play that back in slow motion and see exactly in real time where the stroke mechanics are breaking down. And this has been a very cool feature to add to my coaching software ecosystem. Again, thanks to MoveLab for really just looking me out and taking an interest and offering me this opportunity to build this out in my closed beta. And so again, 2 thumbs up from MoveLab. I hope you like the feature. It sort of sparks ideas about what we can do in rowing technology ecosystems. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.